Do you know for YouTube to push your videos to more audience is what you can do. For YouTube to recommend your video to more people across the platform is what you can do. Yes, a lot of small YouTuber or new YouTubers forgets to implement these three settings I want to give to you in this video. So if you are a new YouTuber, you are not getting view, it is because you miss out of these three settings I want to give to you in this video. These settings work hand in hand. So one will not work without the other, nor two will work without the three. So you have to implement the three settings in order to get more views on your channel. Hi guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. I am Adeola. On this channel, we give you tips on how to grow your channel, how to get subscribers and views organically without any stress. But gone are those days when YouTube is all about posting and leave. YouTube has changed drastically. You have to put in the work in order to get view, to get subscribers. In order to grow very well on YouTube, there are some settings you have to put in place. So if you have been missing out on these three important settings I want to give to you in this video, do watch this video to the end so that you basically understand how to implement the settings and how to make use of it to boost your view as well as subscribers on your channel. A lot of big YouTubers use this tip, but they hide it from you. That is why I'm here to give you all the latest information, all the settings you need to put in place so that you get views on your channel. So the first one is playlist. Yes, you might have about playlist. You may even have it, but you do not apply it the right way. If you have playlist, then you are good to go. And if you don't have playlist on your account, on your channel, you need to have a playlist on your channel in order to get access to these important settings. Not only that, the number 3 settings is very important because it comes with 4 or 5 factors which will boost your channel, which will boost your content on YouTube. So for us to understand these particular settings, I will be using my laptop. Yes, you can use your mobile phone to do this, but I will encourage you to use the web version of YouTube Studio on your mobile device. You can use Google Chrome, you can use Safari, you can use Opera. Just visit studio.com.youtube, then log in and navigate to the dashboard. Once you are at the dashboard, then you are good to go. So these settings can be applied on your previously uploaded video, and you can as well apply it as you about to upload a new video. So for us to engage in this process, I will use one of my uploaded video that is here to be public. I will guide you through all the process. So let's move in straight to the screen on my computer. So now on the computer, here is what I want to explain. Now you can say if you want to use an uploaded video that is not live, or a video that is live, you want to use it down. Here are some of the video I have here. So I will use this one as an example. This particular one, then you click on it. This way is the title. You click on it. Once you click on it, it comes up like this. Then guys, go down to where you see playlist. You may have different playlists on your channel. So on this channel, I think I have just 3 playlists: the YouTube guide, online money, then technology. So you have to select a playlist based on your content. You know, on your channel, you may decide to have different playlists on your channel based on what the content is all about. So it is always advisable to use playlist on your channel. So now that you come across and you've added a playlist like this, that is the first thing you have to do. Make sure you use playlist. Now the number 2 point is this: even if you are about to upload a video, or you've uploaded a video like the one we are using as a case study on this platform, we're going to talk about end screen. YouTube give end screen so that you'll be able to get more viewers, more subscribers on your channel. YouTube will use that to give your video, to recommend your video to wider audience. Now, when we talk about end screen is what you see at the end of most YouTube videos in form of rectangle, 2, 3, sometimes 4, and one circular box subscribers. All this is what you see on end screen. So let's go and come over to the uploaded video before. Now you have access to this place at this side where you see public and other. So here you see end screen. Click on this pencil icon. Once you click on the pencil icon, it comes up like this. Now you can see here that I have 4 end screen on this particular video. You see I have 4 different end screen, and to come to this, we have so many things that is in place here. So let me edit this and put you through all the process. Let me quickly remove this one as first. Let me remove the second one, the third one. Now let's click on elements. Let me remove this one. So once you remove all these, now here is the end screen. On the end screen, we have different elements here. The first one talks about that is import from video. Then the second one talk about one video, one subscribers. The next one talk about one playlist, one subscriber. The fourth one talk about one video, talk about 2 videos. Now if you scroll down, this one talk about one video, one playlist. While the third one talk about one video, one playlist, one subscribers. So if you take a look at it now, this particular fourth one give us 3 options that help YouTube to suggest your video in 3 different ways. It suggests at least one video to the audience. It suggests at least one of the playlists. And mind you, a playlist may have more than 2-3 videos. It means your audience have more access. The audience have more access to more of your videos. Then subscriber comes on its own. So let's click on this one. Click on this one as a case study. Now that you see it here, now let's put this one, the subscriber. The subscriber will come on its own. The next one is base view. Click on this one now. You may drag it here anywhere. Then you can come over to this place and add any specific video of your choice. So on this one, I want to add specific video of my choice. So I want to add this video. This particular says now you can add any video of your choice. Now let's go to playlist. Click on the playlist again. Once you click on the playlist, you can see that it's in red color. Tells you that no playlist has been selected for this element. So click on this pencil icon. Once you click on the pencil icon, you can see that I have just 3 playlists here. I have the technology, the online, and this YouTube guide. So I'll click on YouTube guide. If you click on YouTube guide, it comes up like this. Now, if you take a look at all these, it comes at the same time. Public. You use either the price. See that all the elements comes at the same time. Now here is the deal. I don't want it to come at the same time. I want the YouTube, this one to come first, then followed by playlist. So all you have to do is you just drag this one a bit backward. Then the subscriber will come up at the end of the 3 settings. So let's play it and see how it looks like. You use either the private or the unlist. Yeah, you can see that all the element comes as you've arranged them on this platform. So that is how you make use of this element. That is the end screen. Don't forget that you must click on the saved button. You must click on the saved button. If you do not click on the save button, you have done nothing. So click on the save button. Once you click on this save button, then that completes the second settings you have to implement so that you get more views, so that YouTube will suggest your video to wider audience. The third setting is very simple, and a lot of new YouTubers ignore this. It is what we call cards. Cards is another important element you need to use on your content on your channel to boost your content, to get more views, more subscribers, as well as more watch hours, because YouTube use this element to suggest your video to wider audience. And to do this is very easy, just because a lot of new YouTubers ignored it. Come over to the card button, click on it. When you click on the pencil icon, it comes up like this. Now take a look at this place. You have different cards here, and here I would like to delete some of these cards so that I will explain better, because I've did this one before. Let me click on this one, then click on delete. Click on this. So let me delete all the cards here so that you have better understanding. Now you can see that here is the option we have here. We have video, we have playlist, we have channel. So let me click on this video first. Once you click on the video, you have to select from any of the video you have on your channel. So let me click on this video here. Now let me drag this to somewhere here, and you see that you see the time here. You can as well manually enter the time. Maybe it is 1 minute. Let me type 1 minute. So press enter. It takes you this to 1 minute. Now let me add another card. Now once you click on that card, you have 3 options here: video, playlist, and what channel. So let me click on video again. Let me add another video. I've added this one. Then I want to add this one now. No view, no subscribers. Click on it. Now drag it here. Just pick your mouse and drag it, and as well you can manually use this time to drop it here. Don't forget that this is here, then this one is here. Now the next one, let's click on it. Now this time around, I want to click on playlist. Pick playlist. Now you can see that I have 3 playlists on this platform. Now I'll pick this one. Then once you pick the playlist, then I will drag it back to this place. What this means is that as you watch this particular video, YouTube will suggest some of the video I have on the playlist to you, thereby cutting your attention to watch those videos. Now the next card I want to add is this channel. Go ahead and click on this channel. Once you click on the channel, you have it empty here. So all you have to do is to enter your name channel, because if you do not do that, YouTube will help you add somebody's YouTube channel. So let me enter my channel name into this place, and it comes out like this. So here is the channel. You can see it's Money Mastermind. You click on this. Once you click on this, then you need to drag this card to someone else here. Now you can see that the red ink has been removed. Then you have to put some touchings here. You can see, guys, channel name Money Mastermind. Then here you have to write something. Please subscribe for more. Then here text, join for new update. Now that you've added all this, don't forget you need to click on this save button. By clicking on this save button, you've perfectly added all the 3 elements. So these are the 3 elements you need to add to your videos while uploading on your channel. The joy of it is that these 3 elements can be added even when your video has been published, when your video is already live. All you have to do now is, if you have not implemented any of these settings I've just explained in this video, after you watch this video to the end, don't forget you need to subscribe, right? Once you subscribe to this channel, then go ahead and implement all the settings to your channel. Implement all the settings to every videos you have on your channel, so that YouTube will start suggest your video to more audience. YouTube will start suggest your video to people, so that you get more view, subscribers, thereby accumulating your watch hour. If you get this tip, guys, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates on this channel. See you guys on our next video.